it brought me a family of wonderfully diverse people and backgrounds. And I'm not simply referring to caste and the powers that be, but a beingness of belonging finally to this family of earth people.
Wir alle lieben dieses Festival. Ich kenne überhaupt keinen, der nicht sich danach sehnt, wenn der Februar losgeht in Berlin und dieses eisige Wetter auf uns niederprasselt, dass endlich die Berlinale anfängt. Und wenn man sich klar macht, dass 500.000 Leute sich die verrücktesten Filme angucken, auf die sie im Traum nicht kämen im Rest des Jahres, dann ist das offensichtlich für mich eine Leistung, die auch kein anderes Festival auf der Welt in der Dimension zu bieten hat.
Beautiful, I love it. It feels incredible.
It's like coming home because I've been here so many times.
I love the Berlin Film Festival. It's got great movies. I think it's a real synthesis of what's going on in the movie world.
There's an expectation to see something different.
Thank you so much for this very great honor. The fact that it comes from such a discerning audience for film, the audience here in Berlin, honestly makes it that much more special for me. Because this is an audience that loves what it loves and is unafraid of expressing criticism for what it doesn't love.
There's something about being able to see these films from all over the world with new friends. I'm so thrilled to be here, and I can't wait to see what the week holds.
We fight for each film, and it's not easy. Sometimes the fight is up, sometimes the fight is down, but I think it's important to make and to continue to do uncompromised cinema, good cinema, to speak and to scream about this world.
We have to fight for human rights. This is part of our DNA from a film festival.
The spirit of what's going on here is so great.
I love Berlin. I think it's the only festival happening in a big city, so you feel films are part of your day life.
It's where I decided that I wanted to be an international filmmaker because of the Berlinale.
Be courageous, be curious, be patient, and be joyful. It's beautiful to be a filmmaker.
Every time you put something out, you put out consciousness into the world.
Ich glaube an den Satz, dass jede Kunst politisch ist. Du kannst dich dem gar nicht entziehen.
I like, a bunch of strangers coming to a dark room, watching light on a screen and having something happen.
It is amazing to be here, and I'm having such a lovely time.
You sit in the dark and you look through someone else's eyes and you learn compassion.
70 years of wonderful cinema. It's recreating itself, but at the same time it pays attention to the history that comes with it. It was just a cinematic dream.
Todas as raças, todos os gêneros, estamos juntos. Espero que meus colegas aqui, todos nós estamos aqui gritando por liberdade, democracia, contra a censura e resistência.
I've never been a believer that the problems that we confront as human beings will ever be solved by a piece of technology. I think the problem is within us. Until we collectively create a positive sense of connectivity where we treat each other with more respect.
You talk about love stories, then it's not just about love or what. It's about connection.
The whole idea of connecting, communicating, learning from each other, it's a translation of the essence of filmmaking, which is the most collaborative of all art forms.
We challenge you, the viewer, to dialogue and to look at yourself. It's an invitation to empathy and to embrace the otherness and to reconsider everything that you know. Also, investigate the language and to push the boundaries of the language of cinema and think and open the possibilities of perception.
We must keep dreaming and making dreams come true, you know? That's why I'm here today.
Our love is going everywhere. No wall in the world can stop our imagination.